guys, welcome back to Aglasem. I hope you have subscribed to our channel, and if not, please don't forget to subscribe it right now. So today we will be discussing that how can you fill the SNAP. Yes, how to register for SNAP. SNAP is symbolizes aptitude test, that is SNAP. The registration for the SNAP has been started from 22 August 2018 and the last date to apply is 26 November 2018. SIU conducts symbolizes National Aptitude Test, that is SNAP, exam for MBA admission. SNAP exam score determines shortlisting for GD, PI, BAT process, one or more of the symbolizes institute to which you have applied. There are overall 15 institutes of Symbiosis University which are using SNAP score for MBA, MSc, CA, MSc SS admission. Now please note the important instruction that you must follow while filling the form. You need to correctly enter the name, gender, phone number, email ID, date of birth, and these are the most important details. You can fill the form in one go or in multiple sessions. No offline form are available for SNAP 2018. Though you can pay the fee by demand draft, it must reach the authorities before the last date of registration. You can do any sort of change except name, date of birth and test center until you submit the form. However, once the process of filling application form gets over, you cannot do any changes. Before submission, please cross-check the details whether they are accurate or not. The details provided in SNAP registration form 2018 will be used to make admit card which is going to enable you to appear for SNAP test. Now without wasting much time, let's start with the registration process.
For the SNAP test registration, you have to visit the SNAP official website, that is snaptest.org. On the Google, please type snaptest.org. You will be then directed to the official website of SNAP test. Then you have to click on the register now button, where you will be seeing two options, that is one login and another is register. If you are the new user, you have to register yourself by reading all the terms and conditions and pressing the I agree button. A form will appear, that is where you have to write your name like applicant name, date of birth, gender, country code for mobile, primary email ID, and retype your primary email ID. Category you have to select, and then are you an NRI candidate? These are the things that you have to fill properly. Next is the preference of the test cities where you can appear for the test. You are given total 3 preferences. You can fill this preference properly, and last you have to upload your photograph. That photograph must be in the proper format of JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF format, and this photograph should be in the size between 10 KB to 100 KB. This is the photograph that you have to take care, and the photograph must not be more than 3 months old. Then you have to click on the button save and continue. The confirmation window will appear on your screen. You have to click OK by seeing all the details. Then they will send a 6-digit OTP on your email. Open your email and note down that 6-digit OTP and enter that OTP and press OK. You will be proceeded further to make payment option. Then you can make the payment.
After payment is done, then you can select the program that you want to opt and make the extra payment for that course. Admit card for the exam will be released on 1st December 2018 and the exam date is 16 December 2018. Result will be out on 2nd week of Jan 2019. So guys, I hope I have made everything clear to you. In case if you have any query, please write down your query in the comment section below. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Till then, bye bye.